Hi guys, how to create web animation in OpenShot is really simple. We have our sample project on. If your interface do not look like mine, go to View, Views, then Advanced View. Now bring any image you want to your timeline, position it, go to right side, from the effects section, search for wave, this one, left click, drag and drop over the clip. Now if we play it, see, we already have our animation. To customize, click on this small icon, move the playhead to the first frame. The most important settings are multiplier and wavelength. Let's increase the multiplier. See, now change the wavelength. See, now it's look like a reflection in pond water. Then X shift. Sometime when we use this wave effect, we can see our image going out of bound like this. To adjust this, we need to play with the X shift. After that, vertical speed. As the name suggests, this will control the wave speed. Lastly, the amplitude. So guys, that's how easily we can apply wave animation in OpenShot. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.